So under the model view in Power BI, we have our star schema. So here's sales in the middle, the sales table, and we have our 4-dimension tables going across, linked to the sales table. So date has a one-to-many relationship with sales table, and its relationship is on those two columns there, date in date and order date in sales. So for product, it's a one-to-many relationship between product and sales, and it's on product number to product number. And the direction here, should have said that, is pointing towards sales. Similarly here. So date and product will be able to filter sales. Territory and customer will also be able to filter sales. So on territory, the relationship is done on territory number in each table, one-to-many between territory and sales, territory point filtering sales. And the last one here is the customer table, which is linked by customer number in each table to sales. It's a one-to-many, and the direction is from customer to sales. Customer can filter sales.